I'm Christina, and this is the Social Media Strategy Lab. Today I'm going to show you how to make text post on a plain colored background on Facebook. Now, I highly recommend scheduling these posts in bulk, but I'm going to start showing you how to do a single post on Facebook, and then we'll move into how to do it in bulk so you can schedule hundreds of posts at once. So first, you just simply go to your Facebook page, go to the main page, what's on your mind, and we're going to type example question. What is your favorite Facebook page? So you just simply type that, and then you select this little A button here, and that's where you get the colors. So you can select any of these different ones. Now, I highly recommend doing a black background, and that'll automatically make the text white. I've done a lot of research on this. This performs best. The colors may look prettier, but this is the most eye-catching. It's the easiest to read. It's scroll stopping. So that's what happens. And then you just simply click next and you post. You can schedule it, share to a group, post now, and click post. So now let's make the most of your time and talk about how to upload hundreds of these text on image background posts in bulk. So we're going to actually do this in Post Planner. If you have any type of business where you have a business page on Facebook and you schedule a lot of content, whether you're a small business or you're a creator in the Facebook content monetization program, I highly recommend having a Post Planner subscription. I can schedule all of my posts months in advance, so I don't actually have to be on Facebook every day. But before we schedule these posts in Post Planners, we're going to start in Claude. You can use ChatGPT, whatever AI you use. And so you're going to ask the AI to create all these text posts for you. So I have a page. I'm using the women's fashion niche as an example, but of course enter whatever your category is. Give me 50 text posts to share. Goal of post is to drive engagement. So mostly questions with some controversial statements and thoughts. Max 130 characters per post. That's the max on Facebook. If your characters are higher than 130, then that colored background will automatically be removed. And so you'll just have a text post that's just normal text and is not eye-catching at all, and it will not perform well. So max 130 characters per post, easy to understand, no hashtags. We don't want hashtags in these because it's just a question. We want people to see there's already keywords for Facebook to know what it's about. So Claude gave me these questions, and I added a sentence, which I have done from the beginning, which is give me these in Unicode text that's easy to copy. So I can copy these right into a spreadsheet. And you see we have some controversial statements, legging our pants, fight me in the comments. Again, we want to drive those comments. And then some questions. What's the most you've ever spent on one piece of clothing? So these are great, engaging questions, and I'm going to copy them. Then I'm going to go back to Post Planner. I've selected Create Post, and then at the top I'm going to select Create Multiple Post. And so to do multiple posts, we need the spreadsheet. So we're going to download the sample spreadsheet. Save. We will open this spreadsheet. So it already has all of the columns set. So starting at row 3 or row 4, I can just delete everything in here. So I just have these columns. So the first column we're going to paste in is the caption. So this is where you actually put the text that you want to post. So I've already copied those questions and engaging comments from Claude. So I'm just going to select paste special, Unicode text, and paste those in. And then we see in each cell we have one of the questions from Claude. The next column that we care about is the TOBI background note. So column H, this is where we specify what we want that background color to be. As I've said, we want it to be black because that performs best, the black background with white text. So how you know what to write in that column is if you actually go back to Post Planner and single post, and we'll just type example, and then you select those color options, and if you go and you hover over each one, you'll see it says Rose Laughing. So that is the name that we need to put in this column. So if I scroll down till I find the black, it's called True-Black. So we're going to type True-Black in that column, and then we are going to pull it down. We had 50, so 53. So we're simply going to save that spreadsheet and then go back to Post Planner, select Done, go to Multiple Posts, and upload our spreadsheet. And we'll see we have 50 posts available from the spreadsheet. We do not get a preview of these, but I can once I select Upload. And I didn't put these in a bucket, so that's why they're in a queue. If I had assigned them to a bucket, they would go there. And I can see, though, that these are the preview for all those posts I just bulk uploaded. And they're not scheduled because I didn't schedule them, because it's an example. But if you just simply assign them to the bucket or to the appropriate queue in Post Planner, they would be automatically scheduled. I recommend doing at least 2 of these posts a day on Facebook. They perform really well. They drive a lot of engagement. We don't want to overdo it, but I think 2 a day is the right balance. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for all the best social media tips and tricks.